I'm Paul.
I'm Lauren. We're married.
And today's our 5th wedding anniversary.
This is for you.
Oh, honey, thank you.
You're welcome.
I've got the perfect gift for tonight, and things are gonna get steamy. And I've got something for you, too. Inside.
Oh, that sounds intriguing. I can't wait to find out what it is.
It's gonna blow her mind. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
What the TV? Yay!
Did you see her face? I knew she would love it.
Yeah. Just mind blown.
What a gift. I thought so long and hard about what to get her for the anniversary. In the end, I asked myself this question. What do we spend most of our time with? The TV. Oh, and this is a chart that I made about it. Let's unbox this baby together. One piece of cardboard at a time.
Happy anniversary to me. How do I feel?
Like $1,000,000, I bet.
Speechless.
Baby, I thought this would be just perfect for you. You ever the trendsetter, always ahead of the curve. 360 degrees of simplicity. The Samsung SUHD TV. See? Boundless design. I mean, have you ever seen anything quite like it?
No.
I mean, look at the components. They're so simple and beautiful. I mean, it's just... And wait, there's more.
There's more? Oh my God.
And it isn't a set of steak knives.
Ring! Yes! Got it! Nailed it! Oh, I love him.
Lauren, will you watch with me?
Remote control! God, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
And there. So here we have all of your simple icons. Set-top box, Blu-ray, and everything. Rather than the complicated HDMI 1, 2, and 3. And it's all on one remote control. And you can switch from the contents of any screen you're watching to any other program you like.
Oh, okay.
So what do you want to watch?
I don't know. Surprise me.
Okay.
We all know you're just full of surprises, aren't you? Okay. Whoa. Oh, that's really bright.
You need sunglasses watching this. The HDR 1000 is insane.
Wait, what just happened?
This just happened.
Is there a nose? Oh,
Yeah.
this is a good surprise.
Yeah.
Now I can kind of see why he bought this TV. It's just very overwhelming. This is so much more beautiful than I remember.
Actually, it was so much more colorful. That's thanks to the quantum dot color.
Quantum dot color.
You know, babe, for the rest of our lives, I promise to focus on you with the same level of immersion that this TV provides.
How long will you stay sweet like this?
Right up until the quantum dot color fades.
What?
That's forever.
Oh.
Come here.
This TV is for me, right?
Of course it is. Yeah. Are you kidding me?
Okay.